Hi, Cameron. I'm Colette.
Hi, Colette.
Hello.
Hi, Colette.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Binsoy, are you a dog then?
Yes.
No, I'm not a dog.
He is a dog.
I'm not a dog.
In his past life, he is a dog. Trust me. Swear to God.
I'm not a dog.
Kundo walang Wala.
They are on the same house.
No.
No, we are not.
We're not in the same house.
We are not in the same
He's
house.
living in the dog house.
He's living in a cat house.
Can you scream, Binsoy?
What?
Can you scream? Or Nicolette, can you scream?
Hey.
Okay, we're not in the
You guys in the same house?
No, we're not.
Cameron,
Don't be jealous.
how did English? Dapat English para makasabot si Cameron.
No, Cameron.
Ate, oh.
Every time.
Colette, can I see your shirt, Colette, please? Can I see your shirt? You guys have the same shirt?
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Why are you laughing?
Oh, sorry, Cameron.
No, it's okay.
He didn't.
I'm just shocked because he has more than me.
He didn't say to you that I'm his real girlfriend.
He's a cheater. He's a cheater.
He's a cheater.
You know?
You have to...
No?
Yes?
Look.
Cameron, you put too much blush on your face. You look like angry in the inside out.
But you're so
But
pretty.
I like that.
Okay, because you look like Latina, mommy Latina.
Don't listen to Colette.
No, I don't have blush. I don't have blush. It's because Binsoy blushed me. He blushes me.
Oh
Because
my God.
I kiss it.
Kaluod, pwede mo sa'yo, oy.
Pagilong kulit, hawa, dribe. Ganihan pa ka ba?
Sige, mahawa lang ko. Bye-bye.
Joke lang.
So, Colette, are you a singer?
Yeah, she's a singer. She's a good singer.
Can I sing a little bit for you, Colette?
Okay, go.
Before you sing, Cameron, I'm gonna introduce you. Please welcome the one and only, has very angelic voice,
Diyos ko,
a prettiest.
lalaki na to.
Please welcome Cameron.
Bam, 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 bam. And you got me like, oh, what you want from me? What you want from me? And
Charot. Sige, go. Continuously.
Continuously.
did she say shut up?
Oh.
Cameron. Oh my gosh, your voice is so very angelic. You know that?
Yeah. She get me ghost bumps. Look.
Yes, me too.
And try to
Cameron, can I request you a song?
Yeah.
Can you please sing Why Can't Be Friends by Ariana Grande?
We can't be friends, waiting for your love again.
Wow. That's why Binsoy is falling in love with you because of your very beautiful voice.
Yes.
I'm waiting for you again. I'm waiting for you.
Oh my gosh. Cameron, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Wow, you're 20. I'm
old are
30
you?
years old.
How?
Yes.
How much?
30.
No.
Yes.
She's lying, Binsoy, right? She's lying.
No.
Yeah. She's 40.
No. For real. She looks like 21.
Oh my god.
No, you're not 30. You're not 30. You're lying to me.
I'm 21.
Really? You look 21.
Cameron.
Huh? Oh, it's so big.
Yeah.
It's so big. Oh, I love it. He's so big and so fluffy. Look at his
I have
size.
cat too, Cameron.
No, that's better. I have this.
Wow!
Whoa.
Pinsoy? Oh my gosh!
When he sleeps, he has his tongue like this.
Oh,
When he sleeps, yeah.
like